Good evening to you all, my dear beloved brothers and sisters and all Indian citizens. This is the video I am posting drawing the attention and notice, bringing the notice to see Ragulgandhi ji, the Congress Prime Leader, and of course Prime Minister designate in the Lok Sabha 24 forthcoming elections. Now he has been talking a lot and much about the caste-based census. Perhaps the Indian citizens all over India might have not known the fact regarding this issue. During the year 2011, I had moved a writ petition seeking for the issuance of writ of mandamus to conduct a caste-based census throughout India, not only in Tamil Nadu state, on the basis of my representation made to the central government of India. My petition, writ petition, was allowed at the admission stage itself by their lordships. Honorable His Lordship Mr. L.P. Dharmarao, he is no more presently. And Honorable His Lordship Mr. Justice T.S. Sivanyanam, the present Honorable Chief Justice of Honorable Calcutta High Court. Their Lordship elaborately discussed the issue and direct the union government, the so-called central government of India, to conduct the caste-based census throughout India. During the time Congress government was the government in center. During that time, the portfolio minister for statistics was the then former finance minister, our Tamil Nadu senior advocate, Mr. P. Chidambaram. They had preferred an appeal against my judgment that caste-based census should not conduct in India. It will affect the tempo of the communities. That is their ground. And Honorable High Court of Madras was erred in having pronounced the judgment to direct the union government to conduct the caste-based census, which was not practically possible. So, caste-based census was deadly against only by the Congress government. Deadly opposed by Congress government. During the time, I hope so, Gulam E. Vaganvadi was the Attorney General of India, and Honorable Brother Advocate Mohan Parasaran was a Solicitor General, I suppose. They had appeared. Then the appeal was coming up for hearing before Honorable their Lordships, Mr. Justice Deepak Mishra, former CJI, and Mr. Justice Honorable U. Lalit, former CJI, and Honorable Justice Rohington Fali Nariman. 3 honorable judgments. So the High Court, Honorable Madras High Court judgment was set aside and allow the central government not to conduct a caste-based census. This is evident. You can very well browse the judgment, Advocate R. Krishnamurthy versus Census Commissioner. is the reported judgment. In that judgment only, policy decision. The another ground, main ground was taken by the central government it was a policy decision. In policy decision, Honorable High Court cannot interfere. That ground was taken by the then AGI Gulani Vahanvadi, since he is no more, and brother advocate Mohan Parasar. In that judgment only, and what policy decision matters, the court can interfere. Everything was discussed. So the fact is, on my writ petition, Advocate R. Krishnamurthy, Supreme Court of India, my writ petition, the Honorable Madras High Court, their lordships, Mr. Justice L.P. Dharma Rao and Honorable Mr. Justice T.S. Savanyanam, allowed my writ petition, allowed my prayer, and directed the Union government to conduct the caste-based census throughout India. The appeal was preferred only by the Congress government not to conduct. The then Congress government only stoutly opposed. The High Court judgment was set aside. Now the Congress, the Ragulgandhi is speaking about caste-based census. It is ridiculous. I am telling you the fact. Even in Bihar, by having cited this Honorable Madras High Court judgment only, even though it is confining and pertaining to policy decision, the Patna High Court has issued the writ of mandamus to direct the Bihar government to conduct the caste-based census. This is the fact. Therefore, Ragulji, please read the judgment. Your Congress government, your Congress and Finance Minister of Tamilite, P. Chidambaram, only opposed the caste-based census. Otherwise, if that Congress government and your government, your Prime Minister, I hope so, Dr. Manmohan Singh, I suppose, and your Finance Minister held the portfolio of statistics, if they had not opposed, my judgment would be the base throughout India for to conduct the caste-based census. This is the fact. Anybody can, peruse the judgment, download judgment, Advocate R. Krishnamurthy versus Census Commissioner. There the entire facts will reveal. Jai Hind.